Hello everyone and welcome to Brainbow Kids. In this short video, I'll guide you through how to use School2Me app so you don't miss any important updates about your child. First, you need to download the School2Me app from either App Store or Google Play Store. When searching, look for the green School2Me app icon. Please note that the blue icon is for schools, so make sure you download the green parent version. Once you have installed the app, you'll be asked to enter your name and phone number. Your name can be anything you like. It is not used as a unique identifier. However, phone number must be the same phone number you provided to Brainbow during your registration as this is how the system identifies your account. You will receive an OTP sent to your phone and you will have to enter the OTP number. If you have changed your phone number, simply send us a WhatsApp message and we will update it for you. There is no password required for School2Me app, so you don't need to remember any login credentials. Before we continue, please make sure that you have allowed notifications on your phone. This ensures that you receive important updates as soon as they are available. Now, let's explore the different sections of the app. Notifications. This is where you'll receive most of our communications. Every week, we'll post your child's class report or summary together with photos from the class. We encourage you to download your child's photos regularly rather than waiting until the end of the enrollment. As we pay a monthly subscription for each active student, your child's School2Me account will be deactivated on the last day of enrollment. Once the account is deactivated, you will no longer be able to access the photos or previous posts, so please save any photos you would like to keep before then. This is the section where you can find the activities to continue doing at home so your child can grow emotionally intelligent at home together with you. You will also receive monthly program outlooks, parenting workshops and support sessions, center announcements, and other important notices throughout the year. Payments. All your invoices, whether monthly or yearly, will appear in the payment section. After you have made your payment, open the invoice. Choose method. Choose the bank. Enter transaction number if possible. The date will be the default today's date. And upload the copy of the receipt and submit it through the app. Once our admin team has verified your payment, we'll issue an official receipt through the app. If you require a yearly payment statement for tax or recording purposes, simply send us a WhatsApp message and we'll email it to you. Reports. Your child's development report can be found under Reports. Whenever a new report is released, you'll be able to read it here. If you would like to ask a question or leave comments, you can do so directly within the report and our team will reply you from there. Documents. The document section contains important reference materials. For example, you'll find a digital copy of our yearly calendar so you can easily refer to important dates throughout the year. Calendar. The calendar shows all scheduled class dates and holidays. Whenever you're unsure whether classes are running, simply check this section. For example, our upcoming holiday is in August. 28th to 31st of August. That's it. The School2Me app is the easiest way to stay updated with your child's learning journey at Brainbow. If you ever experience any issue logging in or using the app, simply send us a WhatsApp message and we'll be happy to help. Thank you, and we look forward to partnering with you and your child's growth journey.